First fish of the day we saw.
Oh, here at 9 o'clock.
Strip, he's saying strip, bang. Woo. First cast. What a way to start the trip.
I've caught bonefish before in the Bahamas and in Mexico, but these seem to be bigger. Come on! What a rush.
Malik was our guide, and I feel like I was able to see the fish, you know, go for the fly and take the fly, and then when you catch a bonefish, they just run, you know. And it took me to the backing twice, and I was able to successfully land a fish.
I got a chance to work with pretty much everybody just to kind of give them tips on how to cast and what this style of fishing is like. As soon as you cast, you've got to move that fly because we're moving so fast.
It's more complicated than it seems, but still simple. If you have success and fun, I think that is the ultimate experience.
Biggest fish of the trip goes to Johnny Heffernan. Yeah! Johnny Heffernan! Congratulations!